Well, there are two key mega trends that are likely to emerge in a post-COVID environment, and one is the entire growth acceleration in the IT sector and a boom in terms of the manufacturing segment, according to Vikas Khemani. Speaking specifically about the boom in the IT sector, Vikas Khemani, in an exclusive interaction with ET Now, stated that the adoption of technology is likely to only accelerate post-COVID world. He stated that for the entire IT sector space, the demand environment has changed significantly. An IT sector, which was earlier regarded as a defensive play, is likely to be regarded more as a growth play. Vikas did mention that the main change that has happened is the significant changes in the overall demand environment. In his note, Vikas Khemani has stated that the digital segment of the IT sector revenue, IT segment is likely to grow to nearly around $150 billion over the course of the next few years, which is likely to lead to an incremental revenue generation of close to around $90 billion, and that itself is likely to lead to good amount of spending coming in from the IT sector space. In fact, he also states that IT sector is one of the sector wherein the demand is global but the supply is local. He stated that the valuation of this sector is fairly undemanding right now, and the sector has a huge potential to re-rate itself. The sector is also fairly under-owned, according to Vikas Khemani. He argues that just on account of the work from home, on account of the benefits that may arise from the IT sector, that itself is likely to lead to a margin benefit of nearly around 300 to 350 bips itself. Top line is likely to improve largely for most of the IT players, and along with the huge amount of operating leverage benefit and the margin benefit, this is likely to lead to a strong earnings growth for a lot of IT players. He sees the earnings growth for the IT players itself to be growing anywhere between 15 to 20% over the next few years, and some of the mid-cap IT companies may also see an earnings growth of slightly over 30% just on account of the base effect. He also mentioned that IT sector is likely to be regarded more as a growth play right now versus a defensive play, and it has huge amount of potential to get re-rated. In fact, in a very interesting note, Deloitte, in the report of Internet of Things, mentions that the spending on the big four technologies is only likely to accelerate in a post-COVID world. Deloitte, in their report, mentions four key technologies, which is Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, cloud infra, as well as big data analytics. Deloitte mentions in their report that the COVID has forced companies to adopt new technologies, to adopt digital in a very big way, and companies are likely to spend more on these new technologies, more on the digital segment, and they're likely to adopt these new technologies in very different ways in order to even differentiate their business models or for other purposes as well. According to the Deloitte is also citing an industry report wherein they're stating that the world's spending in terms of software and hardware on Internet of Things is only likely to rise to nearly around $1.1 trillion by 2023, and this world spending right now stands at somewhere around $726 billion as of 2019, and of which nearly around $20.6 billion itself is the kind of spending that India has done in terms of on the Internet of Things. So yes, there's huge amount of potential coming in terms of the spending on the new technologies. And when we have spoken to most of the IT players itself at ET Now, well, they all state that there is a huge amount of demand that is seen according to them, and the deal pipeline also is fairly strong according to most of the IT players. So yes, watch out for this entire IT space. Watch out for the mega trends in the making post-COVID, the rub-off effect on the IT space, manufacturing space, and of course the adoption of new technologies and what they could do on the various industries.